In today's video, we're going to be showcasing the new Barton Perreira 007 limited edition sunglasses, which have been created specially and uniquely for the upcoming movie No Time to Die. So before we actually try the styles, and there's 3 of them that we're going to look at, let's have a look at this presentation box, because each pair comes with this, and I think they're almost worth buying just for this. You've probably never had glasses in a case like this before. This is not actually the spectacle case, this is the presentation box for all the little bits and pieces you get with the sunglasses themselves. So inside of here we've got quite a few different things, as you can see. I'll talk you through each of these individually. We have got a little packet which has your Barton Perreira 007 cleaning cloth inside. Quite a nice soft microfiber cloth, pretty standard, but at least it is embossed with the Barton Perreira and 007 logo. Next up, you've got your individual guarantee certificate. Each one of these is individually numbered. I've already been through all of our stock to see if any of them had the 007 serial number. Unfortunately, they don't, but each one that you buy will have its own unique code, and that guarantees its authenticity, and it shows how limited the numbers were. For example, this is number 822. Finally, you've got your 007 Barton Perreira case. It folds really nice and flat like this, magnetically, but then it easily opens up to be quite a decent size for fitting the sunglasses in. Looks pretty sleek, and again, it's got the 007 branding embossed on it. So without further ado, let's get onto the sunglasses themselves. There are 3 styles, like I mentioned already. You have, well, we've got to start with these. This pair is called the Joe. And this is the one that's going to be worn by Daniel Craig or James Bond in the movie. I just think it's such a classic style that most guys can wear. It's square, but it's not completely square. You've got some quite rounded edges, which just make it look a little bit sleeker. It's a very formal looking style. I think with a suit, this is probably the nicest pair of sunglasses I've seen all year that you could wear to a formal event. You've got glass lenses in a xylonite frame. We're going to come back to the actual quality of the frames very shortly, but for now we'll just look at the styles themselves. The one that I would probably conventionally choose is this one, which is called the Norton, and this is a re-edition of a classic Barton Perreira style that's actually really popular. I think it's their most popular sunglass frame, but they've re-released it for the No Time to Die movie, and this is just a dead easy kind of more casual style. You can see the tortoiseshell colour really adds to that effect. This is going to look better with t-shirt and jeans, whereas the Joe that we just looked at is definitely, it's definitely the one that you want with the black suit. And finally, the third pair is the one that I think is most interesting. These are a bit more quirky. This one is called the Courtier, and this is a little bit different than the other 2, a little bit more quirky, I would say. You've got the matte finish combined with titanium arms, titanium bridge. This is definitely the lightest of the 3 to wear. It's unbelievably comfortable. And I really like the metal detailing that you can probably just see on the arms there. We call that guilloche. It's where, this is actually done by hand in Japan, by the way. The artisan will just finish this to give it a little bit of texture, and it will catch the light in a really nice way compared to just like a flat, plain metal side. Which leads me nicely on to talking about the quality of these sunglasses. You shouldn't buy these just because they say 007 on them. All of these sunglasses are fantastic sunglasses if you take away the fact that they are James Bond. And what do I mean by that? Well, Barton Perreira are known worldwide as being one of the best manufacturers of glasses, full stop. All of their glasses are made in Japan. They're all made from a material called xylonite, which is a lot better quality than regular acetate that's used in most sunglasses, which itself is a premium material. This is like the elite, the premium of the premium. This is what you get with Barton Perreira. Each frame is polished by hand. It will go through so many different phases of manufacturing, and they just feel like really sleek, really soft on the skin as well compared to cheaper plastic frames. You'll see the Made in Japan moniker there. And you can also see on the outside the 007 embossing as well. That's on all 3 of these pairs, and that's what signifies that they are unique and limited edition with the upcoming No Time to Die movie. So I'm conscious that many of you won't have heard of Barton Perreira, and I always find it quite interesting that the best sunglasses, and it's probably true for it is true for clothing as well. The best quality doesn't necessarily come from the brands that you will have heard of. The mass market brands. We tend to think of Dior, Gucci, Prada, etc. as being the best, but in eyewear it's certainly not the case. Somewhere like Barton Perreira, or a company like Barton Perreira, produces much higher quality glasses, and that's what you're getting with these. So you're getting really stylish frames, really good quality, as well as the unique aspect of them being limited edition for 007. Finally, if all that weren't enough, each pair has got glass lenses. I particularly like the lenses on the Norton frames. They've got a green colour. It's really pleasant to look through, really kind of calming, I find. They're all good, don't get me wrong. They're all really good quality, very sharp glass lenses, but the green would be my choice if it was just based on the lenses alone. So I hope you found this video interesting. I've really loved showcasing them for you. I get very excited about special sunglasses like these. They're available to buy via our website at thespectaclefactory.com. And if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below or reach out to me via social media. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon. Bye bye.